G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. Today we're going to be having a look at the pruning of this Tibouchina. Tibouchinas are an incredibly hardy plant and extremely resistant to very hard pruning. You can see on this particular plant where in the past there has been a very hard and aggressive pruning down at this level here. And since then there's been all of this growth. Now this growth, unfortunately, we've let go a little bit out of control. And so now what I'm going to do is to take it back again and then later allow you to see the way it has responded to this pruning. So let's go ahead and take this Tibouchina down again to this level. So I'm going to start by using the loppers to remove these bigger branches, but ultimately I'm going to use a chainsaw to get in to clean up this bottom area. So let's use the loppers to get rid of these. So now that I've removed all of the top growth, I'm going to take to the rest of it with a chainsaw. I'm going to cut roughly through this area here just to allow us to have a clean cut, a clean area from which the new growth can emerge. And then we'll come back and have a look at it a little bit later. So let's get this part done with the chainsaw. I should note though that if you don't have a chainsaw, a really good quality pruning saw will do the job just as well. So anyway, let's get into this. So now that we've got this section of the trunk nice and cleanly removed, what I would expect to see over the coming months are new growths starting to emerge from just below the cut area. Those new growths will of course develop into a beautiful new Tibouchina growth, complete with those wonderful purple flowers. Now in the months ahead, we will come back and we'll have a look at this so that I can show you exactly how this plant turned out. But what I will do is, in the future, I will make sure that the prune doesn't need to be quite so aggressive, and we will give it regular small prunes to maintain the shape that we want. Now as mentioned earlier in this video, Tibouchinas are extremely resilient to hard pruning. And I hope that you can use this information in order to tidy up and clean up old Tibouchinas that might be growing in your yard, because even though they might be old, they will probably still have lots of years of wonderful growth and the production of beautiful purple flowers in your garden ahead. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.